So what are you doing, Avery?
I'm washing the dog's feet, but she got in some lake water.
So who's winning this battle?
Me.
You sure?
Yes.
Honey, you realize washing her feet means aiming it at her feet, right?
I'm trying to stop it.
You gotta be faster than that, little girl.